When we contract, we're talking about the ribs pulling in. When we release, we're pressing out. It's a very small movement. Now you can amplify that by adding in shoulders and other isolations to the mix, but the primary movement of just a contract and release is actually very small. It's all about your ribs for this scenario. And there are other things that you can contract and release, but the primary focus for this one is the rib cage. Reason being is it is used a lot in jazz. It kind of segues us into what we're going to talk about tomorrow with being sassy. It's a different dynamic that you can add in to amplify your movements. It can either be an isolation in and of itself, or it can be applied to other moves. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about being sassy. I will see you then.